Let me take a drink first. Let's do one of these things. I don't even know. Yeah, as ever. Let's just start. 15 minutes. Let's hit it. And we do this Dolomites thing here. Dolomites, whatever they're here. Get that up. I spent all that time getting things together, and I don't seem to have it together. What is it? Here's also the trusting that the microphone is set okay. Because I had too much keyboard sound on the last one I did. Okay, this is too much here. Let's just take it in. Whoops. Okay, and also don't scoot around. Come on, man. Go there. Good. Yeah, good enough. It'll look like a photo. It will. Okay, let's do. Oops, that's right. I took out the settings. Maybe you can tell by this. That's the knife. Okay, I gotta keep working now. And now I'm using the keyboard. Well, now, which I'm not used to. Alright, what else? I guess we'll start in on these. Okay, oops, not that one. Or no, that one. I keep thinking it's B like Photoshop. Oil, there's that wrong space. Let's do that. No, yeah. Okay, I'll try to make these sounds I do. Probably not best for hearing. Yeah, let's go here. Come on, draw it out. Draw it out. Just draw it out. Okay. And it's wrong. It's wrong, and we'll do another one, and that's my theory. Matter of fact, that's too high. For sure, it's too high. Come on. Okay. Here we go. Here. Yeah, I know. I could just like in Photoshop, I could mark that out with a select and just fill it in. I just haven't done that. I should get a darker one. I don't know like that. Well, maybe not. Where are you at? Come on. I need to go. Yeah, let's see. Should have that instead. Well, where are they? Do that. Do this down. Yeah, I need plenty of that happening. Okay, here too. Make it happen. Let's make it happen. Good enough. Do that. Here. And over here. No. Okay. That. There. Alright, what else? Let's go this level here. Do that. How's that looking? And I'll grab it. Let's see, that's darker. Maybe probably not. Okay, there. Okay, and then I need some of these. I probably should have done that first. Yeah, I should have done that first. I should use the palette knife for that. Well, kind of too late for that. Okay, and this, let's get a better red in it. You bet I'm doing color pick. These 15 minutes. I can't believe how long it takes me. Come on. And let's go over here. Do that. Nope, that's too bright. Come on. There we go. Oh, doesn't want to do it. Still doesn't want to do it. Come on. And wow, we've been fiddling with that all night. Yeah, that right there. If I don't get that done pretty quick, it's going to pretty much take out all my time. Matter of fact, I'm having trouble figuring out what to do with this. Let's go over here. Here, just make it up. There. Wow. Here we go. Here we go. Here we are. That's better. Let's add that. And then what else over here? And this one here too. Okay. Now I'm going to do the knife on that. And that's going to be too much. But what's going on over here? I'll do that. Okay. How's that looking? All together. Go, 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 go. Well, drop this up. Remember not to press on that. That's have a setting. Yeah, that's a nice color. Okay, that'll work. Let's go ahead and do here, here. This should come down. I didn't do that. Alright, come on, come on. Okay. Okay, and we'll do more of this. Okay. Hang on, let's get some of this over here. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, now the lighter one. Let's make it lighter. Come on, you. Okay, and here too. Anything else? Over here, over here. Okay, now we need back here, right? Here, 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 here. And is that too low in the picture? Ah! Don't want to lose that. Probably is. Probably is. Oh well. Okay. Gotta hurry. Gotta hurry. I'll do the dark instead. I was thinking I could do the lights and then add the dark, but I don't know, it would have made sense. Okay, where are we at with that? Up here. I'm just gonna go with it. Go. See, that's what I wanted. The microphone away, because every time I hit that slap on the keyboard, I'm going to do light. I don't know why, I just, you know, it seems to work better for me right now. Okay, and hit that again. Get the dark here, 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 here. Oh, go. There we go. We can do this. How's that going? Oh, that's too much. There we go. It's too dark. Okay, come on. Okay, and we'll do that here. Just a little bit. No, it's too much. Shoot. Let's do it here. There. Better. Okay. Anybody else that needs stuff like that? Well, here. Grab this. That helps. Okay, and then we'll do this here. Hurry, hurry. I have no idea what. Oh, this thing is winning out. How much time is left? Are you serious? See, that's what I always think I'm moving fast, and I'm not. Wow. I did not give. Gosh, I don't believe it. Every time. I always do that. What am I talking about? Well, no, that's true. No idea what to do right now. Let's see. We'll just add these. Is that? Yeah, I'm gonna have to work much faster. Doggone it! Oops! I didn't give myself the time I needed again. Again, I didn't. That's too much. Oh, that's not good. I'm gonna completely run out of time. All right. What are we doing with that? Let's take a look here. Oh, come on. Okay. That down there. No, taking too long. Maybe I should give me 20 on these things. I think 20 would be better. Okay, yeah, because I'm not handling this. In there. Take this up here. Do the trees around. Okay, those look like the trees or what's going on. Okay, up. And here. Okay, and then. I don't know what these are doing up here. And I don't think I'll have time. Which is a shame. So what do? Redo one? I'm going to have a complete pick somehow. Well, let's just add all this in. Right. Look at that. I gave myself no time frame. Oops, I need this down here. Here and here and here. I have no idea how I'm going to handle this. Alright. It goes up there. Nope. Let's close that. We got 5 minutes. 5 doggone minutes. You like that? I don't. Alright. Okay. Do this here. Alright. Yeah, that's fine. Just going with the flow right now, at the moment, right now. Okay, whatever that is. And these should go up here also. Is that? Oh, Luca Bravos, who did these, this picture. The last two pictures I did. That's not going to work. So what do we do? Let's add his here. And what? Let's add this. Where is it? Here. Here and here and here. Oh, dude, no. We can do that. Okay. And this. Nope, grab it. Oh, that's it. I just ran out of time. Okay, well, doggone it. Doggone it, and this in here, and this goes where? That's fine. Alright, so enough of that that type of noise. Let's grab a red here if I can do it. No, I can't do it. Alright, come on. Why didn't it do that? That needs to be more red than that. There. Alright, 3 minutes. This here. What else? This needs to go up here. I need, again, that red. Come on. Give me red. Give me red. Give me red. Give me this. Do that there. That there. And then I'm going to add white to that. No, give me white. Here. No, it's not going to do it. Come on. Come on. And I can't even. The phone just blinked out. I didn't know it would do that. Oops. Hang on. It's gonna beep on me. It's gonna beep on me. Alright, so what do I need to make this picture look okay? I don't know. No, give me the dark, man. Okay. Let's go here. What else can I do? What can I do this to fill it out? Do with this to fill it out. This needs to go here. Come on. What else? What else? I don't know. Let's add this stuff in here like that. That should maybe help. What else do I need to do? There's this down here. Let's add, here. I'll add a field up here. What else? Let's add this. Oh, I need a, let's add that in. Come on. Come on. Oh, gosh. Give me this. Come on. Alright. And what else? I don't know. It's going to run out. It's going to run out. I know it. Give me a dark. What else does this need? Other than not bad. Or, I mean, other than, you know, not being bad. I don't know. Well, let's add some up here. That's still going to beep at me even though the screen went on blank, right? Isn't it? Did I blow it? Am I over? Alright, let's add some darts here. Let's add some windows. Come on. I don't want those too weird. And I was going to add here. Come on. It should be blinking here. It's making a noise at me in about a minute. Okay. What else? Let's add some stuff up here. Add this here, and here, and here. Alright. So, wait. I need that. Ah! Why is that not making a noise? Because I have 16 seconds. Okay. I cannot think of what else. Let's add this and a little bit of this here. And I think that's about as good as I'm gonna get it, folks. Yeah. All right. Well, looks better than my other one. I think it looks better than my other one. Yeah, I didn't get the sky as well as I could have. Oh, and this whole area over here got funky. How'd that happen? Yeah, that got funky. Gosh, I mean, seriously, it does not feel like 15 minutes. It really doesn't. It's been too long on those mountains back there. And it's a lot more dramatic for me than sitting there, because I watched the other one. You know, it looks like I'm still just, if you turn off the sound, it looks like I'm plodding through. It looks like I'm just going, but of course that's about as fast as I was doing it. Alright, well, this one I might even load. I don't know, I'll probably do that. Oh, I know what I was messing with. The light area, this stuff. That's what it was. Well, I got some of it in there. That's what it was. And this, where's it? This one here. That light area and these light areas. And then I could use some more dark in this. Primary. Oh, I didn't really get a ridge on this either. No. No. Yeah. Better than my other one. Better than my other one. I think I learned some things about trying to get some actual shapes, which I should have done on the top of this, on this one up here. I needed to have that like definite shape. That's why I was going for the ridge on the top of the mountains up here, was to get those as definite shapes, and I just kind of drop in the colors. I wasn't even thinking of going in that degree of, well, if you call it detail, and I probably shouldn't have. Anyway. Yeah, I was even going to do more here, but then I looked at it. I'm only 10 minutes in. Yeah, see, I need to do that. Make sure that same shape and along the ridge up here actually happened. Oh, that's too dark, but well, maybe not. And I can add here, here, and here, and here. It was all real. I wasn't dreaming it. Yeah, see, I cannot get that correct red there. There we go. But that's not right either. That would have opened it up, but wow, I still can't get it right. What's the deal? I could have used some up here too. No, put some more of this green would have been good. No, maybe not. Not the way I have it. Okay. Okay. I think I'll actually post. I'll probably post the other one too. Just a minute. Let's make sure. Just hold it out of there. I guess that's it. Yeah. Okay. So is that correct? Thank you for looking. It feels like a 5-minute. Catch you later then. Come on. Uh-oh. What's going on with you? Here we go. Too low. Ciao. Thank you. See you.